Well, I told you guys I was gonna build you an Everest, and I did. A couple videos back, maybe last week or so, there was a Everest that I had posted a video about that was pretty filthy, and it was in need of adjustments, and that is what I did. I took this thing completely apart, and I cleaned it and I adjusted it, and it types wonderfully. So I'm going to list this one just in time for Christmas, I think. I think it should be there by the holiday seasons, if I get it out tomorrow or a couple days from now. But I thought I'd show you guys a picture of it and a type test, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna put you in the stand. We're gonna do a little type test for this one. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. My tripod is a wiggly tripod. Try to stay there. Right. Paper, please. Feeds nicely. Sprocket's playing with the case because his dog toy got stuck under the case. All right. Let's type on this one. This is a 1959 Everest K2. And it has a serial number. Serial number 599067. Let's go. Test. Test. Unshift. Oop, that was a backspace. Shift. Cool. H, 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 H. H, 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 H. H, 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 H. H, 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 H. Oh, it's skipping a little bit. I think I was slamming the keys too hard on that. This is the best change get. This is really nice. Machine. Do a tab test. This, this, tab, tab, clear that tab, clear that tab. There we go. This. All right. The quick red fox jumps over the lazy red dog. Brown, because I forgot brown. So that is a quick type of test. Quick red fox over the lazy red dog. There's my tab tests, the HHHs, the full-on key thing, and you can see some of the lower characters dip into the red, but that's just because they're lower number characters that would not be using. But yeah, this typewriter is good. It's an Everest. The platinum's good, and it types great. It has a cotton ribbon in it, so it's extra dark, and it's very, very fun. So hopefully you guys like it, and you need an Everest in your life, because Lord knows I have quite a few. There's some little tiny chips and nicks every once in a while, but for the most part the paint cleaned up well. It has its case, like in the last video. Metal case. Here's the top of the metal case. It's good. Alright guys, I'll get this up, posted, listed, and if you'd like an Everest, hit me up. I've done a bunch of them. This one's for you.